Hello everybody, and welcome back to Little Tree Learning, an English learning channel for young learners and new beginners who are wanting to learn or improve on their English speaking language. Our videos are designed to be short and concise for easy learning and understanding. You can pause the videos and practice the new words by yourself. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, using English in a one-to-one context, and using reading English skills. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is a new one. It's all about phonics. Using short vowels. The short vowels we're going to use today are ad, ag, am. Ad, dad. Bad. Sad. Dad, bad, sad. Ag, bag. Ag, tag. Ag, wag. Bag, tag, wag. Am sounds. Am, ham. Am, jam. Am, ram. Ham, jam, ram. Listen and say the sentence. Dad eats the ham. Dad eats the ham. The boy is bad. The boy is bad. The girl is sad. The girl is sad. The tag is on the bag. The tag is on the bag. The dog likes to wag. The dog likes to wag. The ram eats the jam. The ram eats the jam. We're at the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.